Best Dual Sport Motorcycles 2025, Suzuki V-Strom 800. For 2025, the Suzuki V-Strom 800 has emerged as a leading contender in the dual sport motorcycle category. Known for its versatile performance and advanced features, this latest model from Suzuki is designed to tackle both off-road challenges and long-distance touring with ease. Engine and performance. The 2025 V-Strom 800 is powered by a dynamic 776 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that delivers 83 horsepower and 57 lb-ft of torque. This engine offers a robust and smooth power delivery, making it well-suited for a variety of riding conditions. Coupled with a 6-speed transmission, the V-Strom 800 excels in both technical off-road scenarios and open highway cruising. The motorcycle features a fully adjustable suspension system, including a 43mm inverted front fork and a rear monoshock. This setup allows riders to fine-tune the suspension to handle everything from rocky trails to smooth roads, ensuring a balanced and controlled ride. Technology and features. The 2025 V-Strom 800 comes equipped with a host of advanced features that enhance its dual sport capabilities. A full-color TFT display provides clear and accessible information on navigation, riding modes, and performance metrics. The bike offers multiple riding modes, including off-road settings, that adjust traction control, ABS, and throttle response to suit varying conditions. Additional technologies include cornering ABS and a sophisticated traction control system, which contribute to enhanced safety and confidence on diverse terrains. The V-Strom 800 also features an adjustable windshield and integrated luggage options, catering to both touring comfort and practical utility. Design and comfort. The design of the V-Strom 800 combines rugged functionality with stylish aesthetics. Its high front fender and protective crash bars emphasize its off-road capability, while the aerodynamic fairing and spacious seat ensure comfort during extended rides. Conclusion. The 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 800 stands out as a top choice in the dual sport category, offering a powerful engine, advanced technology, and excellent comfort. Whether you're tackling tough trails or setting out on long-distance adventures, the V-Strom 800 delivers a reliable and enjoyable riding experience, making it a standout option for 2025.